Write a polynomial function of least degree, real coefficients, and a leading coefficient of 1 that has 3 minus 2i is a 0. Now if 3 minus 2i is a 0, the conjugate 3 plus 2i is a 0, and you could write it as 3 plus or minus 2i. Now there's a little method you can use here to figure out what the polynomial has to be. I'm going to show you what it is. X equals 3 plus or minus 2i. Those are your answers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of work backwards here and then go back to the polynomial function. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Then we get x minus 3 equals plus or minus 2i. Okay, now the next thing is I'm going to square both sides. X minus 3 quantity squared equals plus or minus 2i quantity squared. So let me simplify on the left now. It's going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9. On the right side, 2 squared is 4, I squared is negative 1, so it's 4 times negative 1 here, which is x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals negative 4. Now I'm going to get this set equal to 0, so add 4 to both sides. I'm going to get x squared minus 6x plus 13. Okay, now this is the factor of a polynomial that would create the two zeros, 3 plus 2i, 3 minus 2i. And since these are the only two factors we need, because there are no other zeros listed, this is going to be the polynomial. It's going to be f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 13.